Hello student, once again we start our lecture from the very new topic from the chapter determinant, that is area of triangle using determinants. Now interesting part is that up to 10 standard you study area of triangle by 1 upon 2 height into base, that is right angle triangle. Okay, so any type of triangle we should find the area of such triangle using determinant. That is the interesting topic we have to start today's lecture. Area of triangle using determinants. Obviously if a, most probably the points are given in a form of x comma y, so we have to take capital A in bracket x1 comma y1 plus capital B, not plus B, that is B x2 y2, c x3 y3 are vertices of triangle ABC. Then area of triangle is given by the area of triangle ABC, because we have to take the points ABC, that's why it is triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 1 1 1. Okay, so if we find the area is negative, then we have the another part of that is very interesting. If area of triangle, the area of triangle with vertices at x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3 is given, then the area is defined plus minus 1 upon 2 x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 1 1 1. Here we should write plus and minus. Benefit is that area is always positive. If we determinant value after solving we get negative, so minus minus become plus. That's why here I give the plus and minus symbol there. Most probably the area we should derive from the determinant most probably positive. But in the case negative answer we derive, we have to should multiply with minus symbol. Let us try example based on area of triangle. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are the point -3, 1, 1 minus 3, 2, 3. If 3 points are given, then we should take first point is A, x1, y1, second point B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3. So we should allot the point for these A, -3, 1, x2 y2 1 minus 3 and the last point 2 3. Now we have to put these all the values of x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 in our given formula. We have the formula 1 upon 2 x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 1 1 1. So putting the values of x1 x2 x3 y1, y2, y3 in given format, we derive the area of triangle ABC equal to 1 upon 2. It should be fixed always. We put -3, 1, 1, 1 minus 3, 2 and 3. We have to, last lecture we have to take how to find the value of 3 by 3 order determinant. Same trick apply for here. We have to take the first row and first column is fixed. And the center of element we should write here. So what is the center of that element, row and column? That is -3. That's right. So we have to take -3, 1, 3, 1. So I should write -3, 1, 3, 1. Next, middle term is always negative. That's why we have to take now first row and second column skip. So 1 is the center of row and second column. That's why we have to take -1. So we have to skip first row and second column. So what is remaining? 1, 1, 2, 1. So we should write 1, 1, 2, 1. Next, last element of the last column. Obviously, which the first row and the last column we have to skip. What is remaining? 1 is there. So we should write 1 here. So we have to skip first row and last column. What is there? 1 minus 3, 2, 3. So we should write 1 minus 3, 2, 3 there. So now simplification by part, the value of determinant of order 2. So we have to keep 1 upon 2 same. We derive minus 3 in bracket minus 3 minus 3. Minus 1 remain as the same. 1 into 1 1. 2 into 1 2. Minus middle same. Plus 1 remain as the same. 3 into 1 3. And 2 into minus 3, it is minus plus 6. So simplifying, let us try. Minus 3 minus 3, it is what? Obviously minus 6. Minus 3, 6 into minus 3, 18. 1 minus 2, minus 1, minus minus plus 1. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 into 1, 9. So we should remind which value? 18 plus 1 plus 9, which is 28. 28 with positive number is derived, so we have to use 1 upon 2 into 28. So what is the answer we derive? 28 is easily divisible by 2, so 14 is our answer. So it is easy part to find the 3 by 3 order value of determinant and also 2 by 2 order value of determinant. We can easily find the area of any triangle which vertices are given. If vertices are 1 0 6 0 4 3, then what? I use the area direct del 1 upon 2 1 0 1 6 0 1 4 3 1. So 1 remain as the same. So what is should write here? 0 into 1 3 into 1, so minus 3. 0 into anything is 0, so that final answer is 0. Then the last one, first row and last column we have to skip. 6 0 4 3. So 6 3s are 18. 4 into 0 0. So 1 into anything is remains same. Yes, that's right. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3. 1 into 18 18. So we derive the 18 minus 3 15 upon 2. Area most is used by square unit. So 15 upon 2 square unit is the answer. Be careful that in these examples 0 0 is there. So that's why the middle term is 0 is here we have to derive. So one term totally get cancelled and we derive the answer in a form of fraction number. No matter. Next example, vertices of triangle are minus 2 minus 3, 3 2, minus 1 minus 8. In this example, these two vertices are negative. So we have to take just example the formula. We have the 1 upon 2, minus 2 minus 3 1, 3 2 1, minus 1 minus 8 1. But we observe that we have to compare these. This one is x1, x2, x3. So we should write x1, x2, x3. Next, y1, y2, y3. So we should write minus 3, 2, minus 8. Next, last one, 1, 1, 1. It is always fixed. Be remind that. So we have to take the minus 2 here. 2 into 1, 2. Minus 8 into 1, plus 8. It is right. So we should write bracket here. Next one, minus middle term is always negative. So a minus minus plus 3. So we have to skip the second column and first row. So what should remain? 3 1 minus 1 1. So we have to take 3 into 1 3 minus 1 into 1 minus minus plus 1. Last, which is the row and column is available, which one? The first row we have to skip and last column. So what is remaining? Minus into 3 minus 24, but 2 into minus 1 minus 2, but minus minus plus 2. I directly write here. You should write in a practice directly the answer. So we have to take the minus 2 remain. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 into minus 2 minus 20. 3 plus 1 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Minus 24 plus 2 minus 22. So we should write the minus 22 minus 20 plus 12. We derive the answer is 30 upon 2. So here in this example we derive the answer in a form of negative number. But we have the formula minus 1 upon 2 in bracket x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. So we should take minus, area is not always negative. So that's why minus into minus become plus. So we derive the final answer is area is equal to 15 square units. Next example, so we have to take the vertices of triangle 2, 7, 1, 1, 10, 8. So what should you take? Area of triangle, same trick we have to follow. 1 upon 2 is fixed. 2, 7, 1, 1, 1, 1, 10, 8, 1. So we have to take now first row and first column. Obviously 2 is here, minus 7 is here and 1 is here. So we should directly take the multiplication of that. Minus. How? 1 into 1, 1. 8 into 1, minus 8. Minus 7 remain as the same. So what should we have to take? This column is skip. This column row is skip. What is 1 into 1? 1. 10 into 1, minus 10. That's right. Next one, plus 1 is there. Obviously, this coefficient of that row 1. So what is the 1 remain there? So first row and first column skip. What is remaining? 1 into 8, 8, 10 into 1, minus 10. So we should remain that middle sign is always negative. That's why the second diagonal elements multiplication, be careful, is negative. Always practice on that. Examples of the find the value of 3 by 3 order determinant. Previous lecture we take that example in various pattern. Now let us focus on our examples. 1 upon 2 is always fixed. Minus 8 plus 1 minus 7. Minus 7 into 2 minus 14. 1 minus 10, it is obviously minus 9. Minus 9 into minus 7, that is plus 63. 8 minus 10 minus 2 into 1, it is minus 2. Simplify 47 upon 2. It is the final answer of our example. If 3 variables are there, does not matter about it is positive or negative. Each pattern we have to take the example based on the area of triangle. Now let us take next example. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are minus 1, 8, minus 2, 3 and 3, 2. Area of triangle formula 1 upon 2 x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. We should keep all the values of comparing x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. Always remind that first value always x values and second values are always y values. So you should directly put that value without comparing the points. So let us try. Our values are minus 1, minus 2, 3. We should write here 8 minus 3, 2. 8 minus 3, 2. And last one, 1, 1 is fixed. Now let us try from the first row and first column. So minus 3 into 1, minus 3. 2 into 1, minus 2. Minus 8y. Second term is always negative. Very good. Next we have to skip the first row and second column. So minus 2 into 1 minus 2. 3 into 1 minus 3. Next one we have to skip the first row and the first column we have to skip. So what is remaining value? Minus 2 into 2 obviously minus 4. 3 into minus 3 it is plus 9. So what is the simplification we derive? 1 upon 2 should be fixed. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 2. It is minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 1, that is plus 5. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Minus 5 into 8. Oh, minus into minus, that is plus, and 8 into 5 are 40. Minus 1 plus 9, that is 5. 5 into 1, 5. So we have to take the 5 plus 5, it is 10. 10 plus 40 is 50. 50 divided by 1 upon 2, that is 25 square units. So in these examples we have to take the just here. Now I solve these examples in another pattern. What trick we should apply? Let us try. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are 5, 2, 7, 1, minus 2, 3, 5, 2, 1, 7, 1, 1, minus 2, 3, 1. So we should put the values in this example 1 upon 2 fixed. I take 1, 1, 1, this the coefficient. So what I should take? I skip the rows. How? Let us try. First row, it is 1 is available here. So that's why we have to skip this row and this column.